Good morning, everyone. Monday, May 16th. We're gonna do our morning forecast. We're about 26 minutes before most traders come online, the big institutional traders. So, we're taking a look at our economic calendar. We're going to my own Forex Guru and we clicked on Trading Tools, Economic Calendar, and this calendar is in GMT time. So, um, when we take a look at it here, we see that we have some reports here today. One is at 8:30, the Empire State Manufacturing Index, not a big event, and then the Housing Market Index, and then after that we have a review from Canada. So those are the three big news for today. Most of Europe is out on a WIT holiday. It's called WIT Monday. Um, so it's going to be a slow day today, most likely. So we're going to see if we can find any trades or get lined up for the following day. Tuesday starting to shape up a little bit, as we can see here. It's a lot more stuff. So Tuesday will be a fun day, Wednesday a slow day, and then Thursday probably a good day. So Monday slow. We'll hop over to the dollar index and take a look. We go out to a daily chart to see where we at. We've drawn a line here at 94.31. It's a previous order block, and we believe that the dollar will come down here and test this. It's an old resistance, and we see that the dollar did visit our previous order block that we forecasted last week. So when we go into a 4-hour and 1-hour chart, we can see that there's some retracement here right now, and it's as we saw on the daily chart, we're sitting right against a support line right here, or resistance. So we do believe that it will turn a little bit, and if we go down to 1 hour, you can see there's a consolidation right here, trying to figure out where it's gonna go down to. So again, we believe it's going to come down to 94.31 and then turn around again. So we can pull a fib in on this just to see how that looks like. Um, so we go from low to high, and we see that we're setting our fib, our order block entry is sitting inside of the 23.6 area. Then we have the next order block sitting right at 38.2, and then we have another order block at 68 or 61.8. So we don't think it's going to dip very far. We think it's going to go down and test the previous resistance, and which is now support, which is also an order block entry, and then continue up. And if we take a look at the weekly chart, take this fib away, we see that it's been sitting here in consolidation. It's a big consolidation, but it's been sitting here going up and down, up and down, up and down. So the path now would be to go at least up to this area to break the previous high and take out any stop losses up in this area, and then go up again, and most likely in this area 96, 97. So before it does anything else again. So we're still in the uptrend. We're accumulating. We see here we've been accumulating here for a while, and if we go out, scroll out here, we see that this is an old area back in 98, 93. So it's a known area where the dollar's hanging around. So we know and we believe that it's going to fall. So with that, we're hopping over to see if we can take a trade. We're looking at the pound dollar, and we're trying to see if we can take a trade. It's been falling and it violated the previous low, so we believe that it's going to go up to previous order block, which is here. It's almost there right now, and test that before it takes another dive down, which would be consistent with what the dollar is going to be doing. So it's coming back up here, and we see that's this order block here. It's a support resistance area, So come back up here and then probably give us a sign of an entry, either a pin bar or a tweezer pair or a railroad track. So we're gonna be waiting for 8:30 to come around, and then we're probably gonna go short on this. Again, we we broke the previous low, coming in here and taking liquidity. Now we're gonna go up and build up some orders, and then go back down again. So we're setting up for a seller's profile on the market makers move. So that's our day for today. That's what we're looking at. Not much else. We have a couple of trades sitting on Euro USD, and we're two trades here, which is over 100 pips each, and we're expecting it to go in and test the London Open here. So we believe Euro USD was climbing up to test, which it did right here. It repeated the pattern pretty much right on the pip with London Open. So what we're shaping up here, if everyone wants to see it, is we have the first leg of an M with a reverse head and shoulder. Second leg of the M is being built right now, and most people that knows this pattern know that the next thing that happens after this is built is it continues down. So we believe that it's going to come down here in this area, 1285, and break below that in order to take out stop losses. It's not that big of a move. It's roughly another 50 pips, which is expected. And if we pull a fib on this, it probably would be just in line with what one would expect. 61.8, I can't get better than that. So wait for this. If you're not in the Euro USD, we have two trades, and we may take profit on these two and just take a new entry and go back in and go short. Where is this headed? We would anticipate it to come down to this order block here and then break down below this low to take liquidity. And this is second, this would be first Elliott, and so we would go down substantially on this pair. We have the opportunity to go as far as down here, which is some 800 pips or so. So watch this, get ready to take a trade, look for your candlestick patterns. Starting to shape up here, failed inverted hammer, hanging man, whatever you want to call them. But look for your pattern. We've hit 61.8, so we have a full retracement, and we should be getting ready to go short. Okay, that's it for us. Happy trading, trade safe, trade smart. See you tomorrow.